Samsung Electronics has won dozens of awards for outstanding design and engineering at the 2021 Consumer Electronics Show, according to the South Korean tech giant. On Wednesday, it received 44 awards across 28 product categories, including 4 Best Innovation Awards. This is the 10th straight year Samsung Electronics has won awards for Best Innovation. The awards were announced ahead of the annual tech event, which will be held online from January 11th to the 14th.
It's looking really good.
Ding, ding, ding.
Hey.
Hey, what's up?
So she called us because she misses us. I thought we could make her a video.
What, like a virtual gift?
Yeah, I was thinking a soliloquy.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna look through my DM, see if I can get some inspiration.
By the way, do you think that she'll like this more?
I think you should ask Harris. He should be involved anyway.
Who else is doing this?
I called checking invoices.
How do you call them? They don't speak.
I'm thinking Shakespeare. Also, Rena said that she's going to do a dance to that song that she loves.
This vibe is reminding me of that night we first met. Do you remember all they played was Nightcore?
Nightcore.
I barely fit through the door. Don't you remember?
Yeah, I remember. Your hat was too big.
Anyway, how's the Shakespeare coming along?
Okay.
Yeah. Listen, everyone was trying to do these grand gestures. I thought it was a lot more personal to just say, look, I miss you.
If we can't be with her, at least we can show her some love this way. Actually, I look even better than IRL, right?
I'll just send it, man.
Roll on through.
So, did you like her?
Meet the crisp, colorful, and captivating Samsung Galaxy A51 5G. With AT&T 5G capabilities supported by a fast octa-core processor, you'll elevate your mobile experiences. Its elegant and thin design features a 6.5-inch Full HD Infinity display for immersive viewing. Create epic pictures on the exceptional quad camera and capture incredible video with its standard and wide-angle lenses. You'll have fun with features such as super slow-mo and hyperlapse. Its fingerprint sensor offers fast and convenient security with the touch of your finger. And with the long-lasting and fast-charging 4,500 milliamp battery, you'll have the power you need to keep doing your favorite things. Experience compelling features at an attractive price with the Samsung Galaxy A51 5G.
Clouds float in the sky. All of your silence, and all of your songs.
Well, evidently it's not enough money. What am I supposed to do?
Police are frustrated by the lack of information.
Yes, he's round the last defender, under his right foot.
turn on a sports channel.